What's your name and where are you from?
My name's Vito Giambalvo, and I grew up and was born in St. Louis, Missouri.
What kind of cuisine do you like cooking the most?
Italian food.
What is your biggest culinary achievement?
When I opened my pizza parlor in St. Louis, it was a pizza restaurant. I guess that was one of my biggest celebrations.
What is your worst cooking disaster that you've had?
When I attempted garlic mashed potato, I mixed in things that it didn't go together very well. It was an experimental thing for the big family, and it turned out like wallpaper glue.
Can you make that dish now?
Since then, have learned not to make something experimental and serve it to people immediately. I do now a test kitchen.
Besides cooking, what else is your big passion?
I am a camera operator, and I have been for over 40 years. What I'd like you to know about, I love to have music. I love laughter, a lot of fun, and I enjoy all my cooking. My whole family is into cooking. We even cater. This is how I got my interest and love for cooking.